Here's a short review about Stash, Invest and Build Wealth website or the application here. So this is the official website as you can read and see the interfaces in blue and the theme looks good. You can read all the details about the average, the stars on this website, active subscribers, and the company is attached to CNBC, PS, Benzinga, US Today and WSJ. Harness the power of investing. You can simply get all the details from the scratch by professionally managed portfolio, fractional shares for thousands of stocks, personalize as to why on what to buy and how to buy. You can simply get it from this. So this is basically an institution that will tell you that how you can simply start trading and instantly gain a better approach on investing. This is how you can use it. Get personalized advice on what stocks to buy, how to buy, and in what time you have to buy it. You can let their expert to pick stocks for you, and this is simply type of broker type of application that will lead between the stock market and the customers. So they will choose the better for you. You can simply give it a try to gain more assets. Thank you so much for watching this video.